Every major shift in history created new millionaires. So, the thing about this one is that we've seen the Shopify evolution. We've seen where people made money with cryptocurrency or even trading. When cryptocurrency just came out a few years ago, the people that got in early, those are the people that succeeded with it. When Shopify dropshipping came out, the people that started to do it early, they got the most out of it. So the internet era was here, social media. Now we're in the AI revolution. You don't want to miss this one. In this video, I'll break down how you can use AI to build wealth in 2025 and beyond, and how you can get in right now so you can build the life of your dreams, so you can have the freedom to live where you want to live, to have what you want to have, and to become financial free in 2025 and beyond. So to make it easier for you, I created a 5 AI digital product guide, which you can start to create any one of these digital products this week. So I've linked it down in the description box below. So that is where you can get started, creating your own digital products with AI. Click the link down below to grab that. So why is AI the biggest wealth opportunity right now? Listen, there was a big shift that happened. So one time you would have to be a coder or somebody that does AI just to even use these AI tools. Now, absolute beginners, anybody have access to AI tool. Since the starting of ChatGPT, where people can just type even their meal plan or even their, what they want to eat for dinner, with just that coming out where people can just type what they need and the AI just gives it to them, it shows us that we are now living in a world where by the touch of a button, by just entering a prompt, you can have AI give you all the information you need to make your life more easier. So even in business, a solopreneur right now can do the work of an agency using AI. You can use AI to be your personal assistant for your business, where this AI can answer your emails, be your customer service representative, answer your DMs or your messages. So and answer them accurately as well, where these answers will feel like they're coming from a human being based on how you program it. You don't even have to program it. Based on what you tell the AI to do, they will literally make it easy for your clients and customers to reach you when they have simple concerns or they have issues. You can set up an AI agent just to take on your customer service part of your business. For me, what I think about this AI thing, I just want you to know, firstly, to get the belief that AI is here to replace us. No, AI is not here to replace us. AI is here to replace inefficiency. So some things that would have taken you so long to do, AI cuts the time down for so many things. So it's not here to replace any of us. So you want to use it to, cut time down in your business, or even if you're an entrepreneur, you want to use it to guide you, to help you with come up with ideas on how you can grow and scale your business to the future. So what I see going on right now is that most people are using AI casually, just for simple tasks and simple things. No, you don't want to do that. The wealthy people are using AI to create assets, digital assets. So you don't want to always be the consumer. You have to put yourself in a position to be a creator. So use these AI tools to create an offer, to create a digital product, to create something of value that somebody can buy from you, and you can monetize your skills just by using AI. So AI, as I said, cuts down so many times that you would have to spend even to create a course right now. You see so many people creating courses online. On Instagram, there are people that are selling courses by every day, like literally. So you can use AI to even create a course for your business, a course in something that you know how to do, a quick guide, an ebook. AI can reduce the time of creating those stuff for you. So AI is not here for you to just use it casually, to just ask you for your dinner, what dinner you're going to make later. No, you don't want to do that. You want to use the AI seriously. Use the AI to put yourself where you want to go. It's here to assist you. It's not just here to assist you with meal plans or meal preps for your family. It's also here to assist you with building wealth for your future. Those who build offers, system, and assets with AI, they will be the ones who will win. It's that simple. So you hear me talking, and I don't want to be here just telling you you can use AI to be wealthy. You must be wondering, Shanique, how can I use this? What are the opportunities? So here we go. Here are the opportunities that you can use AI to monetize. Number one, you can use AI to create digital products. As I said, digital products are simple guides, ebook, courses, or classes, which you can just tell the AI, your ideas, allow the AI to create the ebook for you, the course for you, and it will do that. Number two, you can use the AI to become a freelancer. So you can learn one AI skill, and then you can take that one AI skill and sell it to business owner, like even content creation or even video editing, something very simple that you can use AI to do. You can pitch your services to businesses. You can use Upwork, Fiverr to showcase your services that you offer, and people will see that and they want to buy it from you. You can reach out to businesses via DMs. You can reach out, you can even create content around your businesses, show people, how to do these stuff that you're doing, mini videos, small videos on how to, do simple tasks, and people will be willing to pay you for these stuff. Businesses that are, they want to incorporate AI into their business now, but they don't know how to do it. So this is where you come in. So you're going to tell them, ways which your services help their business to go from A to Z, and they will be happy to pay you to help them to incorporate AI into their businesses. And number three ties back into what I was saying. Use AI for content creation. You can monetize, remember, you can monetize your YouTube videos. So use AI to help you to script your YouTube videos, to create thumbnails, to come up with a YouTube idea, something that you know already. You can teach it on YouTube, and YouTube can monetize. You can monetize your social media as well. So use the AI tools for maximum productivity. Don't just use AI casually. You want to use it to help you build and grow. So here's the plan. Let me lay it out for you. This is your action plan. So you want to pick one skill or area that you're good at. After you pick that, you want to use AI tools to package this into something easy, like an ebook, a course, a class, a guide. Then after that, number three, you want to put it on the marketplace. You want to market it on social media. And then you will see people that are interested in whatever you're offering. They will want to pay you for it. And if you don't know what product to start with, My 5 AI digital product idea will help you to get clarity. Remember, it's linked in the description box below. This is your blueprint, so grab it now. So this is your shot. The AI revolution isn't coming. The AI revolution is here. In the next 5 years, you'll either be on the fence that says, I wish I had started, or you'll be on the side that you say, I am glad I started. You have to jump in right now. Don't watch the wave pass you by. You want to ride the wave. Get in right now. Don't forget, download the free guide that I have below so you can get started. You don't want to miss this wave of AI millionaires, and to be a part of the top 1%, you have to start now. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.